examination is there, so you'll have to revise all these things. Like you have to revise chapter 3, chapter 4 as well as worksheets. Okay, so students, I'm going to read out once again this chapter 3 exercise. So students, this may also come in the exam. Page number 33. Okay, so please once go through and learn it. I have many keys that are used for typing, so you have to write its name, what is used for typing. I look like a TV and display output, so that is monitor. I am round in shape, so that is DVD. I am used to record voice, so that is microphone. I am used to take printout on a paper, so that is printer. I help you to listen music, so with the help of speakers we can listen to music. Now children, chapter 4. Okay, so please students, this is my kind request to all, please go through once right from the beginning. एक बार प्लीज आप लोग शुरू से चैप्टर को फिर से रीड कीजिएगा, बिकॉज सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम साइड ऑफ द चैप्टर. सो प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू गो थ्रू वंस. कैप्स लॉक की, एंटी की, arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys students, so don't get confused. See in this picture, backspace key and delete key. So students, you have to learn what is the difference between backspace key and delete key. So students, I would say the backspace key raises the letters to the left side of the cursor. कर्सर के लेफ्ट साइड के जो आपके लेटर्स होते हैं उसको इरेज करता है बैकस्पेस, while डिलीट की इरेजेस द लेटर्स टू द राइट साइड ऑफ द कर्सर. यानी कर्सर के राइट साइड के जो लेटर्स होते हैं उसे डिलीट की इरेज करता है, और लेफ्ट साइड के जो भी लेटर्स होते हैं उसे बैकस्पेस इरेज करता है. एंड पंक्चुएशन की स्टूडेंट्स, सी द सिंबल्स, सी फुल स्टॉप, कॉमा, क्वेश्चन मार्क, एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क, all these are punctuation keys. If question mark is also there, so please students watch it thoroughly. Now combination keys, as you know students, combination key always work with another key, okay, for doing a particular operation. Shift key, and this one also you have to learn students. To move the cursor to the top of the document we have to use shortcut key Ctrl plus home. Okay, to move the cursor to the end of the document, Ctrl plus end. To close the program, which program is running, if you want to close that one particular program, so you have to use Alt plus F4 function key. And to shut down the computer, अब अगर आप अपने कंप्यूटर को शट डाउन करना चाहते तो for that you have to use these keys, Control Alt plus Del key. Okay, so please all of you learn it. Fill in the blanks. Guess which key am I? For sure you have to go through बेटा, आपको देखना है, लर्न भी करना है, and this will come in the same way. Tick the right answer. Okay, now worksheet 1, 2, 3 and 4 chapter. So students, please see this, take the help of this video to revise your chapters. Rearrange the jumbled words beta. You have to learn spelling of these computers parts. Okay, and this will come in this way. Pick out the correct spellings. Okay, pick out the correct spelling. So you have to see this one. So for it you have to learn the spellings of these parts of a computer. Now worksheet 2, choose the right answer. In the same way it will come as it is given in the book beta. Question answer. Question answer will not come beta, but it will come in this way. A computer works very dash. So you have to choose the correct fast as a correct option. Okay. If it is given computer is a very costly device, so costly, here it will be space will be given here instead of costly. So you have to choose correct word costly as a correct answer. Name the main parts of a computer: output devices, input devices, and storage devices. Okay. See the difference also. So all these things you have to learn, as well as please read out once again your chapters, chapter number 3 and 4. Thank you.